Hi guys, I want to take a minute and talk about the project that was due last week. I've made it around to most of the schools. I think I still need to visit Ranger. Um, if you have not done so, please make sure that you have done the first week's lessons. If you have not finished one, even though they were due a few weeks ago, go back and do them anyway. All of this are things that you need to know to be able to succeed in a Moodle classroom. Um, for the project, there are 4 parts to it, but honestly, each of these parts only take about 5 minutes. The last part, part 4, it's going to take the longest, and it probably won't take you more than 30 minutes, maybe an hour, depending on what you put into it. Let's just go ahead and look at these one by one. First part of the project, part 1. It was due last Tuesday. If you have not done it yet, do it. All you have to do is log in to Google Applied Digital Skills, type this code, and everyone has done that. The only thing you've not done is submitted to me that you are done. Okay, let's go to the next part, second part of the project. All you had to do here really was watch the videos. So if you go to the Applied Digital Skills Classroom, when you log in, this is what you see. You scroll down a little bit, and the lessons, technology, ethics, and security, click on that and click start. Here's your first video. Watch the video. Okay, so I'm going to pause that and try to anyway. There we go. And then you will hit next. And this guy is going to explain to you everything you're going to do. He lays it out pretty clearly. Hit next. Watch the second video. Okay, after you watch the second video, that's really all you have to do. Watch 2 videos. Okay, when you are done, come down to the bottom, click Add Submission, and say, I'm done. I watched my 2 videos. Save changes. Saving changes will not turn it into me. Saving changes is just if the bell rings or you have to go somewhere, you have to stop everything suddenly. It keeps it in draft form. It's not submitted. So you'll need to come down and submit the assignment. If you don't click Submit Assignment, then Moodle does not send me a message saying, hey, your student turned this work in. So yes, this assignment is my own work, and continue. Okay, really easy. So step 1, get a Google Applied Digital Skills account. All of you have done that. You just need to click Done. Step 2, watch the 2 videos, and that's it. Step 3, really, really simple. All you have to do, and I'll do it with you right now, next, is walk through this part. And I'm going to start over. I'm going to start fresh so you guys can see how to do it. Are you working by yourself or as a group? By myself. Choose a topic to work on. Okay, it gives me 4 topics to work on. I'm going to choose drones and privacy. Choose. Okay, now type your exploration question is the next thing it says to do. What in the world is an exploration question? They've got some examples up here. What are some practical and some fun uses for drones? How does flying a drone affect other people's privacy? I'm going to choose that. Highlight it, copy it, and paste it. I'm going to choose that as my exploration question. I could have made up my own if I wanted to. Okay, so we come down, we click Submit. Okay, the next thing it tells you to do, go up a little bit. You're working by yourself, choose a topic, choose your exploration question, explore your topic. Okay, so you have to create a new Google Doc to do that. You just click on it. Just like that. Okay, and then it says, copy the section below into the document and share the document. It says with your group, but you just need to share it with me. So copy the text, just click on it. It's that simple. Come over, and then we do a right click or a 2-finger click and click paste, and that's it. Now you need to share this. Come up and click share. Share this document with me. And that shows me, and it says to name it before you're sharing, and it gives it a name, that's really helpful. So we'll save that, drones and privacy. Enter my name, like that, and send it to me. That's all you have to do. Okay? That's the third part, done. You just copied and pasted what, tell me what you are going to study. Okay? All right, now part 4. All right. First project, part 4, due Sunday at 9 p.m. A little late, but let's get it done anyway. Sign in with Google, go to my classes, click on the lesson, Technology, Ethics, and Security. Today you'll complete step 4, which is create your project. Okay, so basically you're going to do some research on whatever question you chose. How does flying a drone affect other people's privacy? And lots of things come up. So you can read some of these that look like they might be interesting. And whatever you learn, you're going to put it into either a Google document or into Google Slides. You can just type up a paragraph, whatever you want to do. Just tell me what you learned, okay? So your project is tell me what you learned. Okay, I have shared a document with everyone, and it breaks it down into what you have to do. Assignment 1 should take 5 minutes. Log in to apply digital skills with the class code. That's it, and you get 100. Assignment 2 takes about 5 minutes. Watch the 2 videos. You get 100. Assignment 3 takes about 5 minutes. Choose your exploration question. Copy and paste into a Google Doc. Share the doc with me to get credit, and you get 100. Assignment 4 may take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. It could take longer. All you have to do is research a question, create a presentation of what you learned, share the presentation with me to get credit. If you don't know what to do, remember, this does not have to be long. This does not have to be a big deal. A Google Doc with a paragraph or a bulleted list will be fine, like this student did. So I can click on this. Takes me to an example of what one student did. This is a great assignment, okay? This is Everett Tatum's assignment. He did an excellent job. This is it. It's a sheet of paper. I love it. It's perfect. He tells me everything he learned, okay? Or you can also do a Google slide presentation like this student did. Click on it. Here's the presentation. Okay, so Candace did How Can Your Mental Health Be Affected by Social Media? She did a little slideshow. Here's the slides. And at the very end, she showed me her resources where she got all of her information from. Okay, so you can see everyone is going to be different. Okay, now I want you to understand the purpose of this class. It is to introduce you to a lot of the technology you'll be using with CCBS or Moodle. Okay, just introduce you to technology. It's going to help you learn to navigate Moodle. It's going to get you used to checking announcements and checking your email. You need to be doing that every day. It's going to ensure you know the importance of communicating with your teacher. If you don't communicate with me, I do not know why you are not turning assignments in. I don't know if it's because you're just being slack, or if it's because you don't have access to things, or if it's because you don't know it's there, if you don't know how to use it. I don't know. I can't help you. Ensure you understand that you need self-discipline to be successful in an online class. If you're finding that you're not communicating with me, you're not checking your email, you're not doing your work, then that should tell you if you want to be successful in this class, in any online class, you're going to have some self-discipline. I hope this helps. I'm going to stop here before I get cut off. I've got about 20 seconds left. Email me.